In this video, I'll guide you through how to increase performance for Steam Link Remote Play. If you've noticed lag, stuttering, or lower than expected streaming quality while using Steam Link Remote Play, a few adjustments to your Steam settings can make a significant difference. In this tutorial, we'll go through the most important performance settings that can help create a smoother and more responsive gaming experience. These changes only take a few minutes and can greatly improve your overall remote play performance. To begin, launch the Steam application on your computer. Once the app has loaded, sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Click the Login button, enter your account credentials, and then select Sign In. After you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. Now, move to the top left corner of the Steam window and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This opens the main configuration window where you can customize various aspects of Steam. Inside the Settings window, locate the Remote Play section in the menu on the left and click on it. This is where you'll find all of the options related to Steam Link and Remote Play performance. First, look for the Allow Direct Connection option and make sure it is set to Automatic. This allows Steam to establish the most efficient connection available between your devices, helping reduce latency whenever possible. Next, enable Advanced Host Options. Turning this on unlocks additional performance settings that allow Steam to make better use of your computer's hardware during game streaming. Within these options, enable Hardware Encoding. This allows your graphics hardware to handle video encoding instead of relying entirely on your processor, resulting in smoother streaming and improved efficiency. While you're in the same section, enable the option to prioritize network traffic. This gives your game stream higher priority on your network, helping reduce interruptions and improve stability during gameplay. Now move to the Advanced Client options. Set the video quality option to Fast if your main goal is achieving the smoothest possible performance. Then adjust the bandwidth limit according to your internet connection. If your network is fast and stable, you can choose Unlimited. Otherwise, select a limit that best matches your available bandwidth. Also, set the resolution limit to Automatic so Steam can optimize the stream based on your connection quality. Finally, enable hardware decoding on your client device. This allows your device to efficiently decode the incoming video stream, reducing CPU usage and helping maintain consistent performance. Once you finish configuring these settings, your Steam Link Remote Play experience should be much smoother and more responsive. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your optimized gaming experience.